This is AQA A-Level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on the topic of kinetics. So pause, have a go, and then review. So we have got quite a lot to read here, a lot to take on board. It's from a practical within kinetics topic. We have got figure set up to measure the time taken for 20 cm cubed of sodium thiosulfate to react with 5 cm cubed of hydrochloric acid in a 100 cm cubed conical flask at 20 degrees C. Time has started, and it was time to see how long it would take to no longer see the cross on the paper. So commonly this will be referred to as the disappearing cross experiment. Which of the four is likely to decrease the accuracy of the experiment? Well, if we take a look at D, using different measuring cylinders wouldn't have any impact. They would all have their own percentage error, but it would be marginally different, not enough for that to be an issue. If we move up using the same piece of paper for each experiment, well, that's not going to change anything at all. You're looking at the same cross, so there wouldn't be any real difference in the time taken for the cross to disappear based on doing that. If we then look at stirring the solution throughout each experiment, well, that wouldn't decrease it. It would be better if you were stirring equally right the way through, but it wouldn't make it any less accurate. However, rinsing the flask with acid before each new experiment would, because what you're doing is actually changing the volume of the acid that's in there. There'd be a few drops left over. The reaction might already start. If you have the thiosulfate and then add the acid second, then you're not going to get a valid time. For that reason, the correct answer is A.